Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Joshua 1:9. Get started in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So first, I gotta hydrate my face using a Primark spray, and then prep my face using a MAC Prep and Prime Skin Visage Primer. For brows, I'm using the Afunkie Choco Brow Pomade. This only comes in one shade and it's very inexpensive. Okay, it's about £5, I believe. So to clean my brows, what did I just say? I'm using a Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in a shade C12 to clean up my brows, both bottom and the top. And I'm also gonna put my lid while I'm here as well. And I'm gonna set that with a little Mercier translucent powder. I do this quite often, guys. Eyeshadow palette once again is Nubian 2 palette, Juvias Place Nubian 2 palette. And the first shade I'm going into is the shade Jezebel, and I'm going to place that in my crease and blend that out properly, and then I'm going to go ahead and top it up with Morocco to blend that out properly as well, you know what I mean? And because I want to do halo eye, I'm going in with the shade Kenya, and I'm placing this in the outer corner of my crease upward into my, no, in the outer corner of my lid up into my crease, and also the inner corner as well up into my crease, and I'm going to marry that together ever so slightly in the middle. Okay, this is because I'm doing halo eyes, and then I want to make sure I concentrate on blending as well. So the shade that I'm going to put in the middle for this halo eye is the shade Nefertiti in the Nubian 2 palette as well. This shade is really gorgeous on its own, but it's even much more gorgeous when you spray it with a spray. All right, so that's what I'm doing here. You see how vibrant that looks? It looks more vibrant after it's sprayed. I absolutely love that. So for the face, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Mahoghany, and I'm blending that out with my Brew Technique beauty sponge. For concealer, I'm using the shades C12 and C13 of the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the areas where I generally would, and I'm going to leave the under eye a little bit last and the bridge of my nose as well. I really love this concealer, guys. I absolutely do. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set it, not bake. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply Laura Mercier powder where I place the concealer. And then to contour, I use the Primark foundation stick to contour, and I just absolutely love this product. Literally, it's such a dream. And I'm gonna set that with a MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW45. Now going back to the under eye, I'm just grabbing Jezebel again, and I'm running that on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab, I believe I grabbed the shade Zuri for my inner corner. No, Nefertiti. I went back with Nefertiti. Then I'm doing the eyeliner. I can't remember what pencil I used here. It's my sister's, don't tell her. Okay, now for my favorite part, I'm gonna put a little lash down below, guys. My favorite part is highlighting. Ooh, I used the Jenkins X Black Up highlighting palette in the shade Light 2, and look at how gorgeous this looks. I'm just gonna put it all over my face because why not? And for lipstick, I use Makeup Revolution and Black Up. I'm gonna put the names down below. Okay, so that is it, guys. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching, and as always, remember to love yourself, and as the scripture in the beginning said, do not be discouraged, do not be afraid. God is always with you wherever you go. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. I love you guys. Bye bye.